we have an iPhone 6s, and somebody disrespected it by putting this home button on this black screen. It just does not look good. So the screen is super messed up, it's cracked, and the glue is coming off the actual LCD. We also need a new battery, so let's fix this up. Oh. We also have no bottom screw, so that makes it easy for me, but I'm scared to see what's in here. I'm having some trouble opening it up. It seems like they T7000 the display, which is really annoying, but we'll get it open. Open it up. Yeah, they did. All right, so all the screws are where they should be, so I'm not gonna roast this guy this time. Maybe next time. I definitely spoke too soon. I saw a little screw here. Our home button is missing 1, 2, not good. Disconnect our battery, disconnect our screen. So the first thing we're going to be replacing is our battery. Unscrew, remove our taptic engine. It's not held down by anything. It connects via these 2 pins over here. So our battery is held down by these 2 pull tabs, which nobody really likes because they tend to break really easily. And because I'm recording, it makes my job a little bit harder. So don't be surprised if they break. Nice, it didn't break. The other one, of course, is not being as nice to us, but we managed to get it out. Because the battery doesn't hold charge, there's a very low risk of it exploding or damaging anything. There we go. We have our battery out, it's over here. Now we can replace it, and a lot of you guys ask me, why don't I use Apple original batteries? Well, because if you are getting an Apple original battery, it's probably not an Apple original, it just actually has the Apple logo, which is kind of illegal. And more or less, batteries are, they all serve the same purpose. Some are high quality, some are lower quality. My suppliers provide me with high quality batteries, so I don't care whether it says an Apple or not, I know it's high quality. We're going to reinstall our taptic engine, put this guy over there, and we're gonna get him screwed in. Sounds kind of weird. Now, I keep dropping stuff today. So this guy got disrespected, but we're gonna put some respect on the 6S's name, and we're gonna change it back to white. Unscrew our home button. I hate replacing stuff after other people because it's really scary, especially when it comes to home buttons, because these are very fragile and they tend to break really easily. If somebody was rough on it before, it might work after they do it, but when I do it, it won't work. In this case, that didn't happen, thank God. Unscrew our front earpiece speaker. Let me know what you guys think about these kind of style videos. I'm recording this live, it's not a voiceover. Voiceovers suck for me, I hate doing them. Now we're gonna reinstall everything, starting with our home button. We're gonna wanna make sure it clicks in. We'll reinstall our front speaker if I can. Now we're done with our screen, we can test everything out. I always tell people, if you're trying to learn how to fix phones, the 6 and 6S is probably the easiest phone for you to learn how to do because they're seemingly invincible and they're really easy to repair. Honestly, one of the easiest phones to repair. And right now you can get one for like 60-70 bucks, so it doesn't hurt. We're gonna reconnect our battery and we're just gonna power on the device. Batteries always come with some charge, so you can rely on them to power on. And if they don't power on from the get-go, well, it's not a huge deal, but it might be valid for you to be concerned a little bit about the quality of that battery. They should come with at least 30% battery life. This one came with 61%. The reading is not always accurate at first. Of course, the phone is disabled, but I mean, the touch does seem to be working. So we're gonna get this installed and we're gonna finish up. Before we finish, we do have to install the seal. It's pretty important for dust and whatnot. For cleaning, I usually just take a spudger, dip it in some isopropyl alcohol, and just scrape against the sides like that. Once the device is clean, we're gonna take our seal and we're gonna take it out of this little blue thing, and we're just gonna align it with the frame of our phone. Make sure it's sitting nice and flush. You wanna just push on the edges. There we go. Now we can reinstall our screen. We're almost done. We're just gonna boot it up and we're gonna place our screen in. It goes in like that, slides up, and get that crunch. There we go. We have no bottom screws, so we have to find some, but we're all done. Thank you guys for watching. As always, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, let me know what kind of content you guys like, because I'm still in the process of figuring out what works for me and what you guys like. So do let me know in the comments.